All right, when we were stretching the truck and the frame, we figured out that the cab of this truck is crooked on the frame. So we had to tweak everything a little bit to make it look straight. So then we had to make the decision on this part, on the front, if we were gonna keep the flatbed frame square or if we were gonna square it to the cab. What's up, hoes and bros? We're flatbed building. Blake is. I told him I wanted to do this part, but.
Tack weld?
Hmm?
You wanted the tack weld?
I just said I would help with this part.
You can help. I said we're gonna do them every foot. Every foot?
Solid. Like a rock.
Perfect, Saul.
It's supposed to be sturdy. Do you think it's overkill?
No, it's never overkill. You just don't want to underkill.
Hey, we gotta grind this real quick.
All right, when we were stretching the truck and the frame, we figured out that the cab of this truck is crooked on the frame. So we had to tweak everything a little bit to make it look straight. So then we had to make the decision on this part, on the front, if we were gonna keep the flatbed frame square or if we were gonna square it to the cab. We ended up deciding to square it to the cab, but look at this. We're going from 0 on that side to 1 inch over here, and he's shaving that off. And that piece of plate is gonna replace this piece, this piece. We're gonna move to the back to cut that piece so that it'll fit nice. My OCD made that a really hard decision, but I feel like if we wouldn't have squared it to the cab, it would have looked so ugly when you look down the side right here.
What are you doing? Lola, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Come on.
Look at that. Looks so good. Weld it in, you'll never notice. Are you not mad anymore?
Yeah, broke my glove.
I know, I saw that. Let me see.
Kind of cheap ass glove.
You did. We got the bones of the flatbed made. Now what we're gonna do, we're not putting the back on yet because we're gonna come with the skid steer, slide the forks in there, pick it up, back up just a little bit, and we're going to weld the underside to make sure it's really like structurally sound. Then we're gonna...
Does it sound a little weak right now?
Sounds a little weak, yeah. Then we're gonna spray the underneath and then set it back down on the truck and then finish the back and then paint it all, and it's gonna look really good. All right, so that didn't work. The forks aren't long enough. They are about 7 foot, so they come to the middle of the bed, and the bed is just too heavy. We tried a whole strap thing, didn't work. So now what we're gonna do, he's going to get another strap, and we're gonna run the straps horizontally across, and then we're gonna use the forks, slide on top, get more in the middle, and pick up like that. We're gonna see if this thing works. Supposedly it's supposed to cut through metal like it's wood, but I don't know if that's true or not. I cannot believe that.
Dump it all on your belly.
That's insane.
Just little sacks, don't do such a big one so then I can cut them out. Do a couple more.
This wasting pretty good. Is that too big?
That's aggressive, but I just want them to because I'm going to weld the whole back.
Yeah.
So that way we can cover them up. That's weird as shit right now. It's just that's a little tight. If you want, I can trim them for you. If you want to cut them out, I can always trim them. Sorry. If we were putting them in there, it would be no problem. Because we could just clean that out and it would probably slide in. But see, these are a lot bigger. See, it has to be, that's like almost the same size. Look like you knew.
It's 8:30 and we're whooped, but we got everything done that we wanted to get done today. All that's left on doing this is drilling some 3/4 inch holes for the side lights, and yeah, I think we just have to prime it, paint it. Anything else?
Send it home.
Send her home. So yeah, we're pretty much done with it. We're gonna put some lights here, the 3/4 inch here, and then a license plate light right there. I have some mud flaps on the way. We're waiting on the drive shaft because it had to get extended. And then we're gonna do, of course, the side runner lights. But yeah, you didn't want nothing too super fancy. Work truck, here it is.